how's it going? It's me, Betty Jean. I am so excited. I got my Club Nebula palette from Kaleidos and Angelica's collab, and I'm thrilled to be playing with it. I'm so happy for her. I'm so proud of her. She had such a beautiful, successful collab, and I couldn't have wished better for her. I'm so proud of her, and I could just gush on and on all day long. This palette was sent to me in PR and I'm so grateful, but I 1000% would have purchased this on my own had it not been because this color story is perfect for me. I'm so thrilled. This did already sell out, but it is coming back for another restock on February 17th. Just in case you missed it and you want to pick it up, just stay tuned for the 17th and you can snag one for yourself. The packaging is just so beautiful. It's so mesmerizing. There's so many details and colors going on. I'm obsessed with it. And the inside is on another level. There are so many beautiful, vibrant mattes, so many glitzy dimensional shimmers. I'm obsessed and I just cannot wait to keep playing with this one some more. Obviously I did film the look you see in this video. This is my first impressions video, but I will absolutely be doing a multiple looks video at some point. I'm not sure exactly when. My filming list is like really a lot right now, but I will have this as soon as I can up on my channel, and I'll try to also do an Instagram video as well, provided I have time. It's getting really close to my move. We're in the like month and a half away zone, so I'm doing the best I can to get things pre-filmed and rolling and ready to go, so I will have more looks for you as soon as I can. Angelica, just congratulations again. I'm so proud of you. You are so deserving. I'm so happy that your collab was so successful and went so smooth. I'm over the moon thrilled for you. Anyways, before we hop into my little tutorial, let me give you my jewelry details. This choker is from Shop Sun & Co. You can use my affiliate code BEAUTBEAN for 10% off. My plugs today are Love Kills Boutique. My earrings are Spooky Doodle Club on Etsy. I love these ones. They're like mismatched bunnies with the little charm. It's so cute. This is a Christma brand wig. Check my FAQ in the description box if you need spelling. And this is a Neff brand beanie. All right, let's just hop in and play with some beautiful makeup. Hi, hello. I'm getting ready for work and I'm so excited to play with this palette. You have no idea. It is just absolutely stunning down from the packaging to the insides. I love Kaleidos so much. I'm so thrilled. This is beautiful. I'm so excited. I'm gonna start with the 7 of 9 shade and I want to run that through my crease. I need to prime my eye first. Why am I jumping the gun? Obviously, I'm excited to play with these colors. All right, priming with the Urban Decay Primer Potion. I'm gonna blend it out and I'm not gonna set it because I don't prefer to do that. All right, now I'm taking 7 of 9 on a Colourpop E2 brush. I'm going to swirl that through my crease. This is such a beautiful blue. My goodness. This palette is so pretty. I've had it for like 2 days now, but I haven't had time to play with it and I'm so excited that I finally do. Oh, just look at that. So pretty. Oh, by the way, before I forget, I used the You're My Only Hope shade as my face highlight. It's so pretty. I love this crease color. My goodness. All right, I want to deepen things up a little bit now, so let's take Void, the dark matte blue. I'm going to take that on a Spectrum B04 brush. And I'm going to start that kind of in the outer corner of my lower lash line. I'm not going to take it very far into my lower lash. And then I'm just going to follow the shape of the brush and my eye just to create a little bit of a winged-like outer corner. Nothing too crazy though. I don't want this shade to go super high up. I just want this to help deepen up the crease that we laid down. This is gonna look very sloppy. We're not doing any blending yet, just placing. Very rich blue, I love it. And now I'm gonna take 7 of 9 again, holding the very end of my brush so that I have a light pressure. I'm gonna just go to town on this darker blue just to help get it nice and soft and seamless. For my lower lash line, I want to play with more of those like greeny tones. I think that'll be really cool. These are blending so beautifully. Oh, I'm so excited. I could see this becoming like one of my favorite Kaleidos palettes easily. The color story is just so me. It's so beautiful. Just gonna re-intensify some of that darker blue right here in the outer portion and then just go back in. It's a lot of back and forth, you know? And I'm not too worried about like where my crease is down because I am gonna do some half cut creasy lid stuff. I am very much just focused on the blend upwards. All right, for the lower lash line, I wanna start with Queen of Blades right here, that kind of more tealy shade. It's very pretty. I'm just gonna take a dual-ended blending brush. A lot of my brushes are dirty right now, so I have slim pickings for brushes, so that's okay. I'm just gonna use this just to blend out that little bit of blue down here and just help start adding this other color and dimension into the look. And now I want to take Gravity, which is like such an exciting shadow. I'm going to take that on this MOTD Cosmetics Seamless Sheer Blend. It's just a huge fluffy brush. I'm gonna go to town on this lower lash line just to add this pop. Oh my gosh, look how pretty that is already. Oh, I'm obsessed with this. It's so pretty. Now I'm just gonna add a little bit more Queen of Blades just to re-intensify just a teensy little bit. I love this, love this, love this. It's so good. I feel like I want to add even more depth to this upper crease. I really want my outer corner area to be pretty dramatic and dark. I'm just blending that some more again. All right, time for some half cut creasy stuff. I'm going to use my NYX Glitter Primer as usual. I'm just gonna take that on a flat brush. This isn't like perfectly flat, but this brush can get flattened as I'm using it. It's a Kaleidos S4. Like I said, my brush options are kind of slim pickings right now, but this one will work just fine. I'm just going to take that right above my natural crease and just kind of follow the round shape of my eyeball. And I'm gonna stop it where things are deepening up in the outer corner. And just in case you're new, I use the glitter primer with all of my shimmers. It helps them pop to their fullest potential. And it also helps me be really precise with my placement when I'm doing like cut creasy stuff. And then I don't have to use concealer. So I want to cut it with Nova actually. I think that'll be really pretty. So let's cut it with that and then I'll have it fade down into probably the shimmer blue, but I haven't totally decided. I'm not ready to commit to that yet. Just taking that on the same sticky brush and we're just going to start right here in the front. Wow, it's so pretty. And I'm just going to follow my cut. Oh my gosh, this shadow is literally everything. Holy moly. I'm gonna put a little extra in the front third because I like it to be a little bit out of a diagonal as it's fading down, not so much just vertical or horizontal. So I like it to be a little skinnier towards this up here portion, but thicker down here. So it looks like that. Do you see how beautiful this shadow is? It's so magical. I love that. And now for the lower half, I want to take Astro, that beautiful shimmer blue. I'm just going to take that on the other side of the same brush, the clean side. I'm going to pop that right underneath. Holy moly, that's beautiful. Holy cow. Angie, this shimmer blue is everything. Whew. That is a gorgeous color. Oh my gosh, wow. Now I'm just gonna go back and forth between both sides of my brush just to help smudge where those two shadows are merging together, just to make a nice seamless little blend. And I mean, that was super easy peasy. Wow, that's gorgeous. I'm obsessed with this. Oh, that's beautiful. I think for my lower lash line, I do wanna do a little pop of Firefly, that minty shimmer. I think that'll be cute. I'm just gonna take the smudgy side of this dual-ended brush. I want to pop it right here in the first third. Oh, yep, that was a good idea. I live for lower lash line shimmer. I think it's so pretty, especially just right here in that front little portion. It just makes your eyes look so twinkly and sparkly and kind of wet. So cute. Now for my inner corner, I'm going to take the You're My Only Hope shade, the one that I used for my face highlights. That'll make a perfect inner corner highlight as well. Oh, yes, yes, yes. The shimmers are so magnificent, I can't get over it. I'm obsessed with this look. It's so pretty. I'm so excited about wearing this all day at work. It's gorgeous. All right, well, I'm gonna throw this look on the other eye, throw on my lashes, eye pencil, and lips, and I'll be back when I'm complete. Alrighty, here's the look complete. I think it came out so pretty. I'm so obsessed with how glitzy these shimmers are. This is beautiful. I'm so excited to get to wear this all day long. The eye pencil I paired with this is Chartreuse Flash from NYX. I just wanted something to kind of play with that lower lash line brightness. My lashes are Sweet Pea Lashes from this Colourpop lash book. They were up here and I chopped them in half and I'm just wearing the outer half. And my lip combo is Cool BFF lip pencil from Colourpop with Kaleidos crystallized gloss on top of it. Love this gloss because it's pretty much just like clear sheer, but it has little blue sparkles in it, so it's really nice to complement blue looks, but it doesn't look blue on your lips. So yeah, this is the look complete. I hope you like it. I'm obsessed with it. Let's zoom out and I'll give you my thoughts thus far on the palette. Alrighty, welcome back. How was the tutorial? Did you enjoy it? I'm obsessed with this look. I keep staring at my eyes in the mirror. I can't stop. My lids look so good. Okay, let's break down what I did today. Let's see, we used the top formats. I didn't even mean to just stay on the top row, but I guess that's just kind of what happened. I love blues and greens, you guys know. They all performed beautifully. They blended like butter. They performed exactly the same for me as the small palettes from them. These so far are absolutely stunning, blend like butter. They worked perfectly for me. I have no complaints. And let's see, I used 4 of the shimmers. So I used almost all of the shimmers, and they are so beautiful, so dimensional, so shifty, so sparkly. I'm obsessed with Kaleidos shimmer formula, and this is no exception. If anything, these might be even more glitzy and more special. I know there's like 2 multi-chromes in here as well. I'm so over the moon with this palette so far. I cannot wait to keep playing with it. I have so many ideas in mind. This color story is so inspiring, so unique, it's so beautiful, and it's so Angie. And it's also very me. This is a very me color story as well. I think it's so cool. So far, so good. I'm so in love with this palette, and I honestly don't see that changing in the slightest. One of my favorite brands, one of my favorite influencers to watch. Such a beautiful formula, fantastic color story. I have no complaints. I think it's beautiful. Angie did such a good job. Anyways, if you made it to the end of this video, leave me an emoji that relates to space, because Kaleidos theme is always outer spacey. And if you liked this video, please make sure to give it a thumbs up. If you're not already, please hop over to my Instagram. It's BeauteBean. Follow me there. I post every single day. And don't forget to subscribe. I'm posting most days here as well. Please make sure you're staying informed with everything that's going on in the world. There will be links in my description box that will take you to information and resources and ways in which you can help. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Okay, bye.